Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have this oven to repair. Customer said this problem is too hot. Temperature is not working. If they put 100 or 150 Celsius, then also it's very hot and burning the food. Yeah, see, sensor is not working. But if your sensor is okay, you can feel the noisy. It's turning off and on. Yeah, from here you can feel the noisy. So it's not working, so I have opened the back cover. So let's see this sensor temperature switch is working or not. Then I have seen inside has burned. It's burned and it's not disconnected, it's connected. So that's why this temperature switch is not working. This temperature switch, so we have to change this temperature switch. Reverse. So just like this you pull it. Yeah, after that there is two screw. Yeah, these two screws you remove, then it's automatically come out. And dear viewers, I have new temperature switch, and this is the new. And let's see how is it working. See, if you turn it on, so there is one contact. Yeah, this contact's connecting. Yeah, can you see? Yeah, connected that contact. So that contact, it will on off. It will work like that. And that old one has spoiled and burned inside. Yeah, let's see this also. Yeah, you can see. Yeah. If it is okay, if you turn it on, so it will connect. If you turn it off, then it will disconnect. So I'll connect the temperature switch there, then we will be back. Yeah, dear viewers, I have connected the temperature switch. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, so there is noisy, so that means it's a switch is working fine. Let's try it. Put temperature around 150, then we'll turn it on. So it's now it's on. So this temperature switch will work when it's if you connect if you set the 150 Celsius. So when its temperature is 100, when it's more than 150 Celsius, so it will turn off, disconnect automatic. And when it's less than 150, then it will connect again and it will work automatic. Okay dear viewers, so I have checked, it's working fine. So let me, so this problem was only this temperature switch. So okay dear viewers, I have connected all the screws. Yeah, it's working fine. So if you see your oven temperature is very high and it's not following your temperature so just you change the temperature switch, then will be okay inshallah. So now it's working fine. Lower and upper both of heating element is hot, so it's working fine. Thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.